Have you ever wondered about the enigmatic region that has swallowed countless ships and planes without a trace? Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, a term coined in the mid-20th century, refers to a region of the Atlantic Ocean that has become synonymous with mystery and intrigue. This expanse of sea, roughly shaped like a triangle, is bound by Miami, Florida, the island of Bermuda, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. It covers around 500,000 square miles of ocean, a vast aquatic wilderness that has been the stage for tales of vanishing vessels and disappearing aircraft for over a century. This mysterious region has been the subject of countless books, articles, films, and television shows, all attempting to unravel the puzzle that is the Bermuda Triangle. It's a global enigma, a geographical oddity that has captured the world's curiosity and refuses to let go. The Bermuda Triangle is not just a geographical location, it's a phenomenon. It's a space where the ordinary rules of navigation and physics seem to twist and bend, where compasses spin wildly and radio signals fade into eerie silence. It's a place where the known laws of the universe seem to be suspended, and where the inexplicable becomes the norm. Over the years, the Bermuda Triangle has earned a reputation as a graveyard for ships and planes. Hundreds of vessels, both large and small, and a significant number of aircraft have seemingly vanished within its boundaries, leaving no trace of their fate. These disappearances have sparked countless theories, from the plausible to the downright fantastical. They've fueled speculations of alien abductions, time warps, and even the lost city of Atlantis. But what is the truth behind these stories? Is there a rational explanation for these disappearances, or is the Bermuda Triangle truly a place where the impossible becomes reality? In this journey of discovery, we'll try to separate fact from fiction, science from superstition, and reality from myth. Let's delve into the past and discover how this mystery unfolded. Our journey starts in the 15th century with the first person to document strange occurrences within the triangle, none other than Christopher Columbus himself. Christopher Columbus, the famed Italian explorer, was the first to document peculiarities in this region during his historic voyage in 1492. As he sailed through the area we now know as the Bermuda Triangle, he recorded in his journals about unusual compass readings. His compass, a trusted navigational tool of the age, started pointing in directions it shouldn't. North wasn't north anymore, and south wasn't south. It was as if the very laws of physics were being bent and twisted in this part of the ocean. But the strangeness didn't stop there. Columbus also wrote about seeing mysterious lights in the distance, dancing on the horizon. These were not the familiar flickers of a distant ship or the predictable glow of a lighthouse. They were inexplicable, fleeting, and eerie, adding to the enigma of his journey. And Columbus wasn't alone in his experiences. There were other early mariners who reported odd happenings in this region. Ships would vanish without a trace, compasses would malfunction, and sailors would report seeing strange lights and experiencing unexplainable weather phenomena. These tales, whispered from one sailor to another, began to paint a picture of a sea shrouded in mystery and danger. These early reports, however, were just the beginning. As navigation evolved and ships began to traverse the globe more frequently, stories of the Bermuda Triangle grew more frequent and more terrifying. Entire ships would disappear, leaving no trace of their existence. Compasses would spin wildly, pointing in all directions but the right one. And the eerie lights Columbus had reported? They were seen by many more, adding an otherworldly aura to this part of the ocean. As centuries passed, the triangle continued to claim victims, leading to its infamous reputation. The Bermuda Triangle had now been born, a mystery that continues to baffle and intrigue us to this day. But how did it gain its notoriety? Stay tuned to find out. Fast forward to the 20th century, when the Bermuda Triangle truly entered the public consciousness as a place of mystery and danger. It was during this era that the Triangle became notorious for a slew of disappearances that continue to baffle us even today. Take, for instance, the notorious case of Flight 19. In December of 1945, 5 Avenger torpedo bombers, collectively known as Flight 19, set off from Florida for a routine training mission. The weather was clear, the pilots experienced, yet none of the aircraft returned. The search plane sent after them also vanished without a trace. How could 6 aircrafts disappear so inexplicably? Then there's the curious case of the USS Cyclops, a massive naval cargo ship that went missing without a trace in 1918. With a crew of over 300 souls, it remains the single largest loss of life in U.S. naval history, not directly involving combat. No wreckage, no distress call, and no explanation. These incidents, along with others, sparked a frenzy of public interest and speculation. The Bermuda Triangle was no longer just a geographical region. It had become a symbol of unexplained disappearances and otherworldly phenomena. A multitude of theories emerged, some attributing the disappearances to extraterrestrial activities, others to magnetic anomalies, and some even to the lost city of Atlantis. This surge in public interest led to numerous investigations, both official and unofficial, all aiming to crack the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle. But the triangle, stubborn and secretive, refused to yield its mysteries. For every theory put forth, there seemed to be a counter-argument, a missing piece of the puzzle, a new question. Despite numerous investigations, the Bermuda Triangle kept its secrets well hidden. Yet, in the face of the unexplainable, scientists have never stopped searching for answers. And so, in the quest to demystify the Bermuda Triangle, several scientific theories have cropped up over the years. Let's dive into a couple of these theories, which, despite their intriguing premises, are yet to provide a conclusive explanation. First up is the theory of methane hydrates. This is essentially a fancy name for a type of gas that can be found deep under the ocean floor. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some scientists believe that large pockets of this gas can occasionally erupt from the seabed, causing a sudden, substantial decrease in the water's density. This could potentially cause ships to sink almost instantly. As for aircrafts, the theory suggests that a similar eruption into the atmosphere could create a sort of air pocket, leading to turbulence and possibly a crash. The second theory we'll look at is based on magnetic anomalies. Some scientists point to variations in the Earth's magnetic field within the Bermuda Triangle as a possible cause for the strange occurrences. They argue that these anomalies could interfere with compass readings and navigation systems, leading ships and planes astray. Imagine sailing or flying thinking you're heading in one direction, only to find out you're way off course, possibly leading to disaster. Of course, these are just two of the many theories out there. Others range from extraterrestrial activity to time warps, and even the lost city of Atlantis. Yet, despite the myriad of theories, a definitive explanation eludes us. Each theory presents its own set of questions and inconsistencies, adding more layers to the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. While these theories provide potential answers, none have been definitively proven, and the Bermuda Triangle remains a subject of debate. As our understanding of the natural world evolves, so too does the search for the truth behind this enigmatic region. The allure of the Bermuda Triangle endures, a testament to our enduring fascination with the unknown. In the 21st century, the Bermuda Triangle continues to fascinate and perplex us. Its mythical allure, once the stuff of seafaring lore, has transitioned into the realm of scientific inquiry and online speculation. The Bermuda Triangle, nestled between the tips of Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, remains an enigma in an age where we pride ourselves on knowledge and understanding. Despite our advancements in technology and our growing comprehension of the natural world, the Bermuda Triangle seems to defy explanation. It's a thorn in the side of conventional wisdom, a puzzle piece that refuses to fit neatly into the jigsaw of known science. Satellites scan the area from space, planes fly over it, and ships cut through its waters, but the triangle keeps its secrets well hidden. The disappearance of vessels and aircraft hasn't stopped. Even in our modern era, with GPS tracking and advanced navigational systems, reports of strange occurrences within the triangle persist. Aircraft instruments malfunction, ships vanish without a trace, and radio communications become distorted or completely lost. These incidents serve as stark reminders that despite our technological prowess, we are not immune to the inexplicable forces at work within the Bermuda Triangle. Ongoing research into the triangle is as diverse as the theories about it. Scientists from various disciplines, including meteorology, oceanography, and geology, continue to probe the triangle's depths and skies in an attempt to unravel its mysteries. Their efforts underscore our collective desire to understand the unknown and shed light on the world's dark corners. The Bermuda Triangle, a mystery that has stood the test of time, continues to baffle us, reminding us that there are still secrets left to uncover in our world. As we push the boundaries of our understanding, the Bermuda Triangle remains a symbol of our quest for knowledge, and a reminder that the world is still full of wonders waiting to be discovered.